In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks to file taxes. We'll walk through the exact workflow inside QuickBooks so your books are clean and ready to file, whether you prefer filing through TurboTax or sending everything to your accountant. Start by signing in to QuickBooks and opening the company you want to file for. Before anything else, make sure all your income and expenses for the year are in QuickBooks. If you invoice customers, those invoices should be recorded and marked as paid. If you track expenses, ensure every bill, purchase, and bank transaction has been added. The more complete this data is, the smoother your taxes will be. If you imported transactions from your bank, take a moment to review them so nothing important is missing or duplicated. Next, head to the sales section and open invoices to confirm your income. Check that each invoice has the correct customer, date, amount, and payment status. Then go to expenses to review your costs. Verify vendor names, dates, and amounts, and look for anything that appears out of place, like a large charge in the wrong month. While you're in expenses, categorize each transaction to the right account. Consistent categories make your profit and loss accurate and help you capture deductions. For example, put software subscriptions under a software or office expense account, travel costs under travel, and business meals where they belong. If you have receipts, attach them to the transactions for solid documentation. Take a moment to correct any uncategorized or personal charges so your tax reports reflect only business activity. When your data looks clean, open the Taxes section from the left menu and review your estimated taxes. This area gives you a quick sense of your potential tax liability based on your books. Confirm the correct tax year is selected and that your business type is set properly so the estimates align with your situation. If you're ready to file within the QuickBooks ecosystem, stay in Taxes, select Income Tax, and choose File with TurboTax. Follow the prompts to review your income, expenses, and adjustments. Double-check totals, ensure categories match your tax forms, and resolve any flagged items before submitting. If you work with a tax professional instead, export your reports and send them over. The essentials typically include a profit and loss, balance sheet, and a detailed general ledger for the tax year. Make sure your date range is set to the full year, export to PDF or Excel, and share securely. That's the workflow. Get into QuickBooks, complete and categorize your data, review taxes, and either file with TurboTax or export for your accountant.